Let us now look into custom formatting. The worksheets appear more polished and easy to read if proper formatting techniques are applied to it. We can format the cells in Microsoft Excel manually by selecting the font, color, font size, background colors, and borders. We can also use numerous predefined table styles or quick styles to format a table automatically. This is the basic formatting in Excel. If these built-in functions do not meet our needs or display the data in the format that we require, we can create our own custom format. In this topic, we will focus on custom formatting in Excel. Let's say we want to display 1,532,000 as 1.53 m, or the 1st of January 2016 date, with the weekday as the first Friday, January 2016. Here, we can use the custom formatting feature of Excel. Let's see how we can accomplish this in Excel. In this lesson, we shall consider the following fields from our master table: dates, order ID, product, salesman, region, number of customers, net sales, and profit and loss. Here in the given worksheet, we have a column named net sales. Suppose we want to display the values of net sales in terms of thousands. For example, 7,164 should be displayed as 7.16K. Select the entire column for net sales. Under the Home tab, click the drop-down present in the Numbers panel. Select the option More Number Formats. A Format Cells dialog box appears. From the category list, select the type as Custom. In the Type text box, enter number, comma, number, 0 decimal, 00, comma, open double quote, capital K, close double quote. Here, number is the digit holder with 1000 comma separation. Each comma after decimal, 00, indicates divide value by 1000. The 2 zeros after decimal point indicate the number of values after decimal places. The K component displays a literal K character to denote thousands. Here we can see the preview in a sample box. The value shown is 6.53K. Finally, click the OK button. The values in column net sales are now displayed in terms of thousands. Now, let us consider another example of date formatting. In the column dates, we have a date value written as 1st Jan 2012. We want to display it as 1st Sunday, Jan 2012. First, select the column containing dates. Under the Home tab, click the drop-down present in the Numbers panel. Select the option More Number Formats. A Format Cells dialog box appears. From the category list, select the type as Custom. In the Type text box, enter DD-DDDD-MMM-YY. The first 2 DDs are the date. The next 4, DDDD is for weekday, say Thursday, then MMM is for the month in short form, and YY is for year. We can see in the preview in the sample box, the value shown is 1, Sunday, Jan 12. Finally, click on OK. Thus the custom formatting helps us in changing the appearance of the cell value according to our needs.